The company with the tool that I would like to share with you today is called Hi guys, Italy here. You might recognize me from Kevin David's Hall of Fame or his 30K month club. So I've been selling on Amazon since December 2018 and I've consistently maintained in Kevin David's 30K month club, which means that I've been consistently selling $30,000 a month on Amazon.com and .ca whenever I have inventory in stock. So that's the key of this video, is whenever I have inventory in stock. So if you are an Amazon seller, you are aware that Amazon has implemented some new inventory regulations that have prohibited you from bringing in more than 200 units per SKU into the Amazon warehouse. So that's obviously caused a lot of problems for Amazon sellers like myself. You lose rank, you lose revenue, and it's extremely hard to be consistent with your inventory at only 200 units at a time. So I've recently had to find other alternative ways to maintain that consistent income and revenue on a monthly basis with limited inventory. And I wanted to share with you guys a tool that I have found that you can do just that. I was hesitating to share this because I wanted to keep it all to myself. However, I know so many fellow Amazon FBAers and businesses that are struggling during COVID, and I really wanted to share this with you because I'm so excited about this new platform. So with this tool, not only can you build your own brand on Amazon with zero upfront inventory costs, you have unlimited amount of inventory that you can sell on Amazon, as well as this platform allows you to ungate the health, beauty, skincare, and pet categories that are generally locked or restricted on Amazon. So drumroll please, you guys. The company with the tool that I would like to share with you today is called Dropified. Okay, so this new program from Dropified is called the Supplement on Demand program. And what it allows you to do is pick from a catalog of their supplements, skincare, CBD, pet care, although you can't sell CBD on Amazon, but it gives you a catalog of all of those different supplements and products that you can then turn and put your own label on those products in a matter of minutes and have those uploaded to your Amazon store. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example here, guys. I have some samples with me and I'm going to show you what I was able to do in a matter of minutes. Okay, so you can get sample products of, you have fish oil, you have turmeric, you have thyroid support, apple cider vinegar, women's libido. Hello. Okay, they have some of the top selling supplements, skincare, pet care, CBD, all of the top selling products, okay? And this is a generic brand. So this is what you'd get as a sample if you want to try it before putting your label on it, okay? So what you do with the platform that they give you with their program, you are able to whip up your own label on this product, for example. The recommendations and the product description does not change, obviously. So those all stay the same no matter what label you put on it. So what I do is I go onto my back end, I design a label with my own logo, and bam, I have my own brand of supplements with my label, with my logo. And this took me 7 minutes, okay? You get it sent to you, you get a sample sent to you to your door, you take a picture with it to get Amazon approval. Every single product from this company is CGMP certified, okay? So that's a certification that you need to unlock these restricted categories on Amazon, okay? This company is also in an FDA registered facility in the United States of America, which means that they are locally manufactured. They're also shipped locally. So when your customer purchases your inventory off of Amazon, they receive that product in 1 to 3 business days. So it is compatible and comparable with the Amazon Prime shipping as well. So you guys, this has been amazing for me, and I just wanted to share it with you because there have been so many people that have been suffering with the 200 unit restrictions, and this is a way that you are able to get past that 200 units because these units and your supplements are all held in the manufacturer's facility and they ship it direct for you to your client through Amazon, okay? And you can link your WooCommerce store to your Amazon store, and that's how the products get shipped out direct. I just wanted to share because I've had so much success with it recently, and I just think that it's an amazing new, turn of the century way to get your products out there, build a brand, no upfront inventory costs. Like, how many thousands of dollars do you spend on launching a new product? Minimum 10 to 15 nowadays, for sure. So with this on your platform, it's $197 a month, the same kind of plugin that you'd use for, say, Helium 10 or what other scraping tools that you're using on Amazon. It gives you access to a platform, all the templates of labels. You can design your own, put your own brand logo, whatever on there. Literally in 5 days, I got my product on Amazon. And the nice thing about this is, if for whatever reason this logo people aren't loving, I go into my back end, I whip up a new logo, a new label, put it on the same product, and can cater to a new demographic of clients. So there is so much power in this. So for example, if you're doing pets, you can have a product that's geared towards golden retrievers, labs, whatever, and it can be the same product. And that's how layer marketing works, you guys. So this has been amazing. I'm really excited to share with you guys. If you have any more questions, feel free to shoot me a message. I've also linked down below one of their 2-minute tutorials and demonstrative videos on how this actually works. So I hope that blows your mind as much as it has for me. And if there's one thing that I would say, if I had to do my whole Amazon journey all over again, this is probably the route that I would take. Anyways, I wish you guys all the best, good luck, and go kill Q4.